The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal, amber rainstorm warning, and landslide warning are now in force. Eagles has weakened into a severe tropical storm. In the past few hours, the winds over Hong Kong weakened rapidly. The observatory will issue the storm signal number 3 between 11 a.m. and noon today. And winds will be stronger on high ground in the western part of Hong Kong at first. At 10 a.m., Eagles was located at about 140 kilometers west of Hong Kong and is forecast to move northwest or west-northwest at about 25 kilometers per hour, moving further inland and weaken gradually. Owing to the storm surge, some low-lying areas may have flooding or backflow of seawater in the morning. Under the influence of rain bands associated with Eagles, we expect occasional heavy showers with thunderstorms today. As for the detailed weather forecast, strong to gale force, south to southeasterly winds will weaken in the afternoon. Occasional heavy squally showers with thunderstorms, and seas will be very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from shoreline and not to engage in water sports. As for the weather outlook, occasional showers tomorrow, easing off later, and sunny periods in the next couple of days.